Hello, welcome to this video. We will be exploring LinkedIn networking. LinkedIn networking is very important, and I'm going to show you how to do that on LinkedIn. So you see I'm connected with Jason here with first degree connections. I would like to show you that you can view his connections here, and you'll be able to see first degree connections as well as second degree connections. This is a second degree connection. Let me just open this up and close the other windows. And then there's also a third degree connection if you look at maybe page 5. Oh, still second degrees. He has lots of connections, I guess. Second degree. Let's look at page 14. Second degree, wow, lots of second degree connections. 24, 27, huh. Wow. Okay. Oh, let's look at our third degree connections. Let's just close this. We can't really see third degree connections. Okay, so let's look at Daniel. And first degree connections, he doesn't have many connections, so maybe there's going to be some third degree connections that are shown here. Second degree connections, you can't really search for third degree connections. Okay, so let's look at this. Second degree connections, I'm not connected to her. Maybe I'll be able to see third degree connections. Or not, okay, so let's do a search, like let's look for people and let's do a search on people that are not second degree connections. Let's just go through this, and I'm sure there's some third degree connections. So this guy is a third degree connection. International business student in Netherlands, 40 followers. Skills and endorsements, accomplishments, interests. So typically when someone connects with you, I'm just going to show you my network. When someone connects with you, right, they usually sometimes they message you. So this person here, you can see more. He's like, this is Timothy from the Blockchainer, Next Gen Eco Community Builder based in China. I'm glad to be connected with you. We have a good way for you to get deep explore into China and Korea markets. We have a private Korean blockchain VC tour on the 20th to 23rd of January 2019, and then we organize such events to help block. So apparently it kind of disconnected. I'm going to hit reply to see his full message. It doesn't show up here. So just sometimes you have to reply before you can see the message for your message. Let's see if that does anything. Messages. Go back to messages. Timothy. Okay, so it really did cut off. I guess there's a limit on how many characters can be in a message, in the introduction message, and I'm just going to connect him. So connecting with people, see, Timothy wants to connect. So if you click yes, then we are connected. So before you would see that he is not a first person, now he's a first person. So let me just show you another example. Someone who wants to connect with me on LinkedIn. Let's see if there's anyone else. You should always have a message. Like these people who have a message, I like to see, even though it's not a custom message, it's just something that LinkedIn kind of supplies. It's still nice. So let me look at Travis. Travis, second degree. He is a construction cost estimator at Garden Guru in LA, in the greater Los Angeles area. One mutual connection. He's been doing this for 3 years and 7 months. He has 200 plus connections, it seems. Nope. How did I click on that? Okay, so I click on Garden Guru, and in Garden Guru it shows 2,900 plus results. So surgeons at Garden Guru in Michigan. Not sure what Garden Guru is. I don't really know what it is. There is farming. There's a few different companies. Interesting. So let's just go back to his profile. His interests, really only 2 interests, very short profile. Definitely not an all-star. 14 connections, so I'll be his 15th. So I'm going to accept it, and when I accept it, the page refreshes, and see, you can see, congratulations, Travis Hill is now a connection. You can send a message, or you can click on this to go back to his profile, and now he has 15 connections, one of which I am. And then you click on view connections. Let's click on view connections. You can see that, okay, if this person is already a first degree connection with me, of 18K open networker in Toronto. I should connect with him because we are in the same city. He actually, did he make him? No, I'm not sure. He's artist sculptor. Geno Art Inc. Has received 2 recommendations. I'm not sure, like, nice pick is actually a recommendation. He has 2 languages, has multiple interests. Seems like everyone likes Bill Gates, so good for him. So 99 plus. So he does not have 50 skills like we said. I'm sure he has more than that, but even if I click on recommendation, he would not get more than 99. But drawing, he does not have more than 99 for some reason. He needs to employ some of the strategies I shared with you before. So we have 669 mutual connections. That's insane. That's like, what is this? I guess because I used to be an open networker, I'm no longer officially an open networker, but maybe I should add it back to my profile. We'll see. I'm going to run an experiment to do that, and that's going to be a bonus video. So let's see what else. So connecting with people is definitely something you should do. Like I said, this guy has 14 results. I'm number 2 now, and it's not alphabetical order. I'm not sure why. But I think it's the first 2, and then I guess second degree. Everyone else is second degree here, and page 2 is because he's now my first degree. Because Travis is now my first degree connection. Everyone else that's connected to him is my second degree. Do you understand that? And then people that are not connected to me, like for example this guy, if I click on him, he's in Ireland, and if I look at his connections, which I cannot do, you can see that I have 103 mutual connections, which means these are all second degree connections, and 2 mutual groups, which means there's a lot more connections there. And he has about 5,727 followers, and that is that's good. Let me just click like, give him another like here. So he has 6 likes now. And let's look at his articles. Let's see how many articles he has written. Did I talk about articles before? I'm not sure if I. Maybe that's another. I think I did. I did talk about. Okay, so Tony Robbins. I can click on plus. I can. You can add more influencers. For sure. Close this. So posts. These are his posts. I can see how often, how regularly he posts. 3 weeks ago. See, 3 weeks ago. 5 likes. He seems like he has quite a robust profile. He has received 17 recommendations and given 1. So let's see who he gave it to. Okay, so there's someone he worked with at Microsoft. 14 courses, some awards and honors, certifications, languages, and 2 projects, as well as very different interests that I have. Okay, I think I will conclude here, and I'm going to add. I'm just going to go back here and just delete and close the other. So I have 8 more connections, invites today, and I'm close to 10,600 connections. Strangely, I don't see any groups here for some reason. Let me refresh this page. Maybe it's an error, because I am in many groups. That's strange. Okay. Let me go to groups. So I'm going to do more videos about these other things in the future as bonus videos, or maybe in class 4 or class 5, which is going to be class 4 and class 5. So look forward to that. For now, that is all that I have, and I will talk to you soon. I'm going to make a few more bonus videos, but I want to actually launch this very soon. So as you see, I have already prepared this as a draft, and we're ready to launch this. We just need to add a few more courses. Right now there are 13 classes, and we're going to add a few more courses, and a few more classes videos to this class, and then we'll be ready to launch this. So I want to start working on class number 4 before Christmas, as well as a few other things we're working on. So that concludes this video. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Thanks again. Remember to leave me your comments, feedback, any ideas, suggestions you may have, any questions. I would need a lot of your questions, as I'm going to answer lots of questions at the FAQ section in class 5. So you still have some time. Probably class 5 is going to be in 2019. But for now, let me know what other questions you would like to know answers to, and I'll definitely answer as much as I can. Bye for now.